the embedded navigation function of the Mount Olympus Travel Guide. Today we assume we want to visit the Alexandrion in Litochoro. So we can see in this article map and navigation. That's what we have to tap first. And then we open Google Maps with a tap on open. Now Google Maps will show us where the Alexandrion is located. If we want to know how to go there, we push the button route and we see we are located here, and this is the Alexandrion. If we want Google to lead us there, to navigate, we push the start button. So, here it is.
Fahr nach Osten.